I can't love who I can't trust. You fucking with them hoes you callin' sis, that's a no-go.
You could take it there, and then you put the hook going, and you could do all this shit for him, but he gonna have to show you action.
Right. That's what we're trying to say. This needs to be about you.
I done heard the same shit. I need you to give me what I can't ignore.
What are you gonna give me if I make it? What are you gonna give me if I make it?
Wow.
You see that? It was nothing but net. Okay, cash at me.
I see. Never wanna know. When I go, the only thing it is, it's the only thing I owe. If I let it go, I mean, I want you know I'm a nasty. With the fade in the man.
Shout out Dizzy Cleanface.
I need whiskey with a cough drop, think I lost my voice. Got a hot temper, take it out on all my toys. Don't tell me that you love me.
Come on in the booth, guys. This is where the magic happens. The only kind of magic that I'm getting. Who hurt you? That ain't no excuse. I've been hurt too. That was the one. I felt that in my spirit because I thought about who hurt me. And I thought about, it was just a lot. It was a lot going on in that moment. I don't get hurt. I do the hurting. Don't put that on there because that's going to air me out. I told you guys I want to do a rap album. Nobody listens to me. I can't lie for you. Keep turning.
You know what I think? If this record comes out, the one we're doing right now, just a preemptive thought, I think this is first, just because I like it a lot. And I don't know if it's Prisoner of the Moment, but I like this one and then Going.
I'm thinking better than Going.
That's it. That is literally the key to everyone who gets caught up in like a bullshit relationship. I'm slipping now, I'm back on my shit. Like that's where you have to go with it conceptually for it to really hit.
I know the game. I don't want to play yours.
Bar, caption. Do you see what I'm saying though?
Yeah.
But it's like you gotta hear that.
And the hooks gotta be the same way.
Okay.
The biggest records now are like 4 hooks. They're in 4 sections. You know every word to it. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Gino the Ghost video shoot. Cough trap. Let's go.
Oh shit! What up, baby?
What up? How are you? We at the Cough Drop video shoot. You know what I'm saying?
So after we sit down,
As you can see, I am a Detroit player. Got the Kwame Kilpatrick mink on. Ice by St. Jules, glistening. Diamonds, but they really diamonds. And yeah, enjoy the shoot, you know what I'm saying? As always, the price is going up constantly, and stay tuned. The congregation's been discussing, we might need a little liquor.
Take it out on all my toys.
What's up, Vogue? Look, if you want to contact me directly, my DMs are open, but I would prefer you contact my booking agent because I am going to charge more if I have to deal with you directly. Thank you.
I need whiskey with a cough drop, think I lost my voice.
Okay.
cut.
I don't have the case for the buffs.
You have to get to the woods. So you wore these and you brought every other case.
Yes. So, hood off. Don't take them off. No sudden head movements. How do you feel?
Like Dusty McFly.
Hey, what's up, MTV? Welcome to my crib.
That's where he's leave.
Can we get the tequila?
A little bit. You go crazy.
Okay. I'm not gonna go crazy.
I've already had a lot, so.
So, you know what I'm saying? If it looks like I'm a supervillain, it's because I am one. You understand? I'm not even acting. I'm not even in costume. You understand?
Shoot went amazing. My boy Gino shining. Some diamonds. The gold chain he had on. Will took it. He stole it.
I took it. I want to style like him. You know?
Nah, but Will did a great job too. Styling, always the freshest guy I ever seen.
I'm Shaylin. I was Gino's love interest today, which is funny because I love Gino with all my heart. We go way back. We write together. He is literally my soulmate. So I'm really excited we got to collaborate today. And you guys should all check this song out because it's crazy. And I love him. I love you, Gino.
on the set of Gino's cough drop video. My dog. Everything came together great. Crew was great. Fire director, fire styling, fire jeweler. That's how we do it. Number ones only. Next up, Gino the Ghost.